Alright, YouTubers, more cooking. This is honey. I'll put it down in this bowl. A little bit of it. Quick and easy. This is sriracha. Because I gotta have my sriracha. We're gonna mix it up. Alright, this is sweet honey. Masterpiece barbecue sauce. Just because the honey's thick. Alright. Probably just enough. And now we have Kentucky Legend ham steak. Tell you, a lot of times your cooking is quick and easy. Throw that in there. Now, sriracha. Honey. Alright. Mix that in. Ooh, doggy. Mix that all around. Give it some pokes. And I'm just going to let that marinate in there, sit, flip it a few times and all that good stuff. Then we'll cook it. The sriracha. Pan's heating up. A little bit of honey. Come out of there, you honey. Come on, honey. Oh, cookity cook cook. Oh, ham steak. Huh? This is fun cleanup in the RV, right? Alright, we're going to let that cook. It's coming along. Yum. Plate. And now really quick, what we're going to add to it is some sauerkraut. Plug it, turn it off. I'm just going to heat it up real quick. I'll do the taste test. Hold on. Ham steak. I like ham steak. I eat it more than I show it. That's good. With the sriracha and the honey. Good stuff. And sauerkraut's good for you. Yum. Alright, YouTubers, quick and easy. Have a great and wonderful day. Here comes another quick and easy meal. Alright, so we're going to put these, there we go. We always called it, I haven't had these in, I don't know how long, like, maybe next week will be like forever. Maybe a week away from forever. But we always called these bird's nests. And they come out like this. And they're pretty darn good. They're going to boil 9 minutes. And I'm not going to show you a lot of this, but I'll show you the end of it. It's just cooking pasta. See? It's pasta. Alright, I drained it. I did one of those there fancy drains. I just poured it out of the pot. Oh, that's a lot. I gotta have my pasta. Gotta have my carbs. Alright, you can't see it, but... Alright, here we go. Got sauce on it. And it is nothing fancy. But it's good. If you're gonna do a lot of running around and a lot of stuff, get your carbs, eat your pasta. And you'll have a great and wonderful day. It's basically just fettuccine. Okay, YouTubers, quit cooking turkey again. Cook what you got. There's going to be broccoli with this, but I'm just going to make this quick and just do some burgers. Turkey's in there. Going to use some Famous Dave's Country Roast Chicken seasoning. It'll be okay. Not going to be anything fancy. Grab this thing. And put some water in it. Again, this is to get my hands wet so the turkey doesn't stick as much when the RV is winterized. Alright, and then as, I don't know if you can also see, I got this protecting my curtains. I usually try to remember to use that. And water does help. I don't know if you've done poultry before, ground poultry, man. it can be a sticky, sticky mess. You don't need to get down, Keek. You're good right there. Okay, a little bit more. Hands wet again after just cleaning them. I just didn't want to get turkey stuff all over my mixed bottle. So, what did I bring with me? I brought the burger press. I'm gonna spray it with some Pam using thrift store stuff. Alright, and I'm gonna try to do this in about thirds. Roll it up real nice, make a good meatball out of it. Alright, put it in there. Now let's press it down. Alright. Alright, 3. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm gonna, since I'm done handling turkey for real, I'm gonna wash my hands, move stuff around. I'll get this all figured out. I did it before we started, but we'll do another Lysol wipe. I brought the induction cooktop, but I'm just gonna use the ratty old hot plate. We're gonna get it going. And no, I didn't. And I'm going to use some unrefined, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. It's good stuff. 1 turkey burger. Oh, that smells good. Now see, this is a very good meal to have this up because it's splattery. Alright, we got more to do. We're going to give them a couple more minutes. Then we're going to eat them. Gonna eat some of them, not eating them all at once. Or am I? Have a nice brioche bun. There's going to be broccoli in a minute, but I'm not going to bother showing you broccoli. There's the bun. And because I didn't want it to go to waste, I got some cranberry jelly. And what we're going to do with that, I'm going to put it right on the buns. Grab a burger. Put the burger on there. Oh, some more cranberry on top. Yes, we are. Probably missed all of that, didn't I? I'm going to eat it right here because it's ready.
Now this might have a holiday feel, but if you don't like dry turkey, try cranberries.
Boom. That's it. That's all it's going to be. But and the broccoli. Don't worry about the broccoli. That's good. If you think turkey's too dry, lather it up with cranberries.
Honest, super quick and easy.
Burger. Alright, YouTubers, that's another way to make a turkey burger. Alright, I'll be nice. I'll show you a second one. Just because, you know, the process is important. Is it bad that I wolfed down 2 burgers? Gonna need another run, I guess, aren't I? Still steaming. Alright. Now have a great and wonderful day.
More super quick and easy.
Alright, YouTubers, sometimes there's quick and easy. This is whole wheat gnocchi. And I'm going to cook it in there. It's going to take it 3 or 4 minutes. Have a great and wonderful day. I'll add some other meals to this. Again, my grandmother will be mad, but this is out of a jar. It's a Bertolli organic, at least. Olive oil, basil, and garlic.
It's pretty good, and from Aldi's. So I threw this in because it's been like 4.5, maybe 5 years since I've eaten fast food. But White Castle sort of has some cool memories from my youth.
That's the regular one. Impossible.
And they sell the Impossible Burger if you want to give it a shot.
All right. People might not believe me, but I think their Impossible Burger is better than the Slider.
I'm out searching for a new bike, so that's going to be fun. But this is like a trip down memory lane for me. And I was nice and they gave me free fries for being patient. Now one of my favorite things.
It's time for a Gene K's pasty. This is a rutabaga one. These are the ones I picked up on my fall trip, the day olds. I still got a few of them left, but I'm going to start the new year right. Alright, so since they're day olds, they don't need as long. And this is a New Wave Mini, 44 minutes. And away it goes. Cook, cook, cook.
Trying to limit to about 3 or 4 a month, and the pasty sauce is kicking.
Yeah, there's Gene K's and pasty sauce. Great stuff. I'm gonna eat it. Look how good that is. Look at that. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. Good and spicy.
Picked up a bunch of these too.
And I'm also going to eat this Youper bar. I really like these things. I guess it's a Youper day. Hold on. I'm not a professional chocolatier or nothing, but I think these Youper bars are pretty darn good. All right. Now have a great and wonderful day.